Ndewo! Welcome to igboclass.com. In today's video, I will be talking about helpful tips that will help you learn about the Igbo language very fast. The 6 helpful tips that will help you learn Igbo language very fast. Ngwa, can you bido? Go nowhere, because the 5th and the 6th tips is very, very important. Before you embark on any language journey, there must be something that has drawn your attention, something of interest, something motivated you to dive into that journey. What could it be? Study, travel, or you're about getting married to an Igbo spouse, or anything you're just curious about the Igbo language. This is the interest. Something motivated you to learn more about that language. So that there must be interest for that language or for that learning to take place. There must be interest. You declare your interest first for you to be able to learn a language. Then you talk about realistic time frame. You set a time frame for learning that particular language. How do you do that? It must be realistic. I'm giving myself a year, or I'm giving myself 3 months in order to communicate and have a conversation in the target language, which is the Igbo language. This time frame must be divided or subdivided into daily goals. That in as much as we have 3 months, every day I am subjected to 5 minutes of learning or 10 minutes of learning. You can't just paraphrase it into a week I must learn for 2 hours. It is not realistic. You must have a realistic time frame. Every day you set up a calendar or a reminder that every day at 1 hour of learning. Every day 1 hour of learning. This is more realistic. And it should be consistent. You should be consistent with it. From 5 minutes to 10 minutes, increasing your pace as the day goes on. Snowball effect. Keep it rolling day by day, day by day. So setting clear goals, setting realistic goals. Learning the basics. Learning the basics. For you to build a house, you must first of all lay foundation. You can't just start building, roofing, and setting up blocks and all that without laying a proper foundation. And what is the foundation for every language learning? It is the alphabet. You can't just dive into learning about Igbo phrases or Igbo grammar without learning how to pronounce the alphabet, the 36 Igbo alphabet. Now, for you to learn how to pronounce them correctly, visit our YouTube channel at igboclass.com. We have a specially oriented class where you learn about the Igbo alphabet, how to pronounce them, because every word, every Igbo word is being made or is being formulated out of that Igbo alphabet. Building daily vocabulary. Building daily vocabulary. Here we have 1 word a day. A word a day. You must learn a new word every day. Not just learning about it. It also helps in increasing your vocabulary bank. Here you have so much words that you can use. You have so much Igbo words that you've known of, their meanings and the correct pronunciation. Here you also learn about the basic grammar, how the sentence structure in Igbo language is. That is the verbs, the tenses, the pronouns, the part of speech, everything about it. Simple phrases, numbers, name it. Watch Igbo related content. Watch Igbo related content. Here you watch movies, series, YouTube channels, all about Igbo content. It helps you to learn more about the language, which is the Igbo language. Because in as much as you see people speaking it daily, you'll be forced to do what? To speak along. You watch Igbo related content. Here also, I would like to bring to your notice that we have a detailed and a structured learning app where you have everything concerning Igbo language, be it numerals, be it culture, tradition, anything that you can think of. Just visit our website and join us at www.igboclass.com. Here we have a forum for Igbo language teaching and learning. You can also book an online tutor where you have one-on-one conversation concerning the Igbo language. This brings us to the end of our video today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel till I come your way again. Onye Nkuzi Chiamaka is still my name. Bye!